Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. So we are back with one more smartwatch review, and today we have with us the newly launched Smartwatch Delta. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and show you its features. So starting with the unboxing, in the front we have the model name Watch Delta. And here we have the picture of the smartwatch. And at the bottom, we can see it comes with a unique 3D user interface. At the back of the box, we can see some key features. And here you can see that it comes with the IP68 water, dust and sweat resistance. So you get a 1.3-inch 33mm display, weather forecast, call and text notifications with vibration, health functions such as SpO2, heart rate and sleep monitoring, camera and music control, multiple sports mode, sedentary reminder, and it's compatible with both Android and iOS platform. The MRP of this smartwatch is 6,990 rupees, but it's available on Flipkart for just rupees 2,499. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So here on the top we have the watch itself. The build quality of this smartwatch seems pretty good, and you get this carbon fiber finish at the back. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So first we get the user manual of this smartwatch, and then we get the usual things such as boat product catalog, warranty information and a boat head sticker. And then finally, here we have the magnetic charging cable. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Smartwatch Delta is a budget fitness smartwatch, but looking at the design and quality, this smartwatch feels premium. You get the metal frame in this watch, and here at the back we have the carbon fiber finish. The TPU straps are made up of good quality material and can be replaced with an aftermarket strap. So overall design wise, you get a decent package keeping in mind the price of this smartwatch. Now guys, this is not the first time I'm seeing this smartwatch. Yes, it is a rebranded product, and I have here the Crossbeats Ace, which is same as the Smartwatch Delta, and believe me, even the menus and functions are all the same. But the Crossbeats Ace is priced higher at 3,999. Now coming back to the Smartwatch Delta, in the front we have the 1.3-inch LCD display, and this round dial and the carbon texture at the back reminds me of Amazfit Stratos series. Now coming back to the overview, on the side we have the function button, and at the back we have the heart rate sensor and the charging pins. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So for pairing, we need the app Boat Wearables, which is available for both Android and iOS platform. So here we have the app installed, and for pairing, just need to go to the add device section, and here we have the Delta listed. Now just tap on it and the watch is now paired and ready to use. In terms of the features, you have the touch controls on this smartwatch, and swiping down from the top shows you the notification history. You can access the main menu by swiping up from the bottom. And here we have this so-called unique 3D user interface. And guys, it's not actually 3D but just the 3D animation. So in the menu, first we have the step counts, and then we have the last night's sleep data. And then after that we have the heart rate. And about the heart rate, the detection is fast, and this smartwatch supports continuous heart rate monitoring. Now coming back to the menu, then we have the training menu, and here we have the walking, running, cycling, rope skipping, badminton, basketball, football and swimming. After that we have the blood pressure monitoring, and guys, this is only for reference, and to me the data seems inaccurate. Then in the menu we have the SpO2 monitoring, and here we found the detection very fast and fairly accurate. Then we have the breathe menu, and here you can do the breathing exercise to calm yourself down. After that we have the music controls, and in this you can control the music on your phone, but this does not support volume controls. So that's all we have in the watch menu, and apart from this, there are few more functions of this smartwatch which can be accessed by swiping left from the right side. And here we have the shutter, which can be used to control the camera of your phone remotely. After that we have the stopwatch, brightness and then styles. And here we have the installed watch faces in this smartwatch. You can also add more watch faces through the app, which I will show you in a moment. After that we have the usual DND, reset and power off option. So that's all the features we have on this smartwatch, and right now I can say that it's missing a couple of essential smartwatch features such as alarm and timer. Now let me quickly show you the companion app Boat Wearables. So the UI of this app looks neat and clean, and here on the top we have the step counts, and then below it we have the calories burned, active minutes and the SpO2 reading. Then here we have some cards showing you different health data. On the next page we have the analysis, and here you can go through the historical data. And then we have the device page, and here we have the connected watch on the top. you can see the remaining battery along with the approximately battery backup. And then we have the watch face store, and here we have the cloud-based watch faces. And guys, you get a lot of options here, and I find some of the watch faces very good. And in total, you have 300 plus watch faces. After that we have the app notifications, and here you can select the apps for which you want the notification on your smartwatch. And talking about it, here is how you get the call notification. And guys, you can silence the call notification or reject the call from this watch. Now, let me show you the app alert. So you get the app icon here on the top, and this smartwatch does not support quick reply function, and also you don't get the emoji support. And then we have the alarm menu, and from here you can set the alarm on your watch, which is missing in the watch menu. Then we have the find device, which vibrates the smartwatch. After that we have the camera shutter, alerts, and from here you can enable sedentary reminder. After that we have the device settings, and here you can toggle between 12 and 24 hours time format. And after that you have the auto heart rate detection and the DND mode. So that's all the features we have on the app, and to me the app is simple yet offers all the essential features. So overall the Boat Watch Delta is a budget smartwatch with some basic fitness features. The design is good and the build quality is excellent in this price segment. Though this watch is a rebranded smartwatch and you're getting all the features in this smartwatch, and as compared to the Crossbeats Ace, you'll be paying 1500 rupees less. The 3D user interface looks okay at the beginning, but overall, I'm not much impressed with the UI of this smartwatch, and it looks half-baked. But design and build quality wise, this smartwatch feels premium, and if you like round dial, then you will love the carbon fiber finish and the metal body of this smartwatch. And guys, as usual, if you like this smartwatch and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Boat Watch Delta. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about this smartwatch in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Gig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.